Are you paying too much on your car loan each month and wondering if there's a smarter way to cut down those expenses? That's where Caribou Auto Loan comes in, a US-based fintech company that's been in business since 2017, offering car loan refinancing services through a fully online process. They market themselves as a way for people to save money on car payments, claiming an average monthly savings of $130, which amounts to roughly $1,560 a year, and for many struggling with high-interest auto loans, that's no small change. One of the biggest perks of Caribou is how simple the process appears. You can check rates online without impacting your credit score, and if you're eligible, they'll walk you through the steps to refinance, often within days. A lot of users have reported fast and helpful customer service, and Caribou's active presence on platforms like Instagram and Facebook adds a layer of transparency that many newer fintech platforms often lack. That said, it's not all glowing. Several users have raised concerns about getting flooded with follow-up calls and emails after submitting their information, which some might find pushy or annoying. There have also been occasional reports of delays in processing, which could be frustrating if you're eager to start saving quickly. Overall, Caribou doesn't scream scam. It's a real company with years of experience and mostly positive reviews, but that doesn't mean it's the perfect solution for everyone. If you're financially savvy, have a high-interest car loan, and don't mind a few extra emails, Caribou could be a useful tool to help lower your payments. Just remember, refinancing isn't always the best move for every driver. It depends on your credit profile, vehicle age, and current loan terms. So while Caribou is legit and does offer real potential for savings, your experience will ultimately come down to your individual financial situation and how carefully you manage the process.